Honorable Chief Guest, the Governor of Mizoram General Dr. V.K. Singh, Pujay Jalal Peklua, MLA, Dr. Hriatna, Secretary LESDE, all the government officials, representatives of partner institutions, entrepreneurs, laborers, youth participants, and friends gathered here today. It is an immense pride and joy to stand before you today in the inaugural function of the LESDE Festival or LESDE Coot. The theme of LESDE Coot truly reflects the aspirations of Mizoram's youth. Innovation today is not limited to technology alone. It also means new ways of doing business, new services, and new ideas rooted in local needs. Entrepreneurs are not just business owners. They are job creators, problem solvers, and nation builders. Our role as government is to enable, support, and empower, not to control. The Labor, Employment, Skill Development, and Entrepreneurship Department is unique because it deals directly with livelihood. Livelihood is not an abstract concept. It touches every family, every household, every individual. Whether it is a young graduate seeking a job, a skilled worker looking for dignity and security, or an entrepreneur with an idea, the LESDE department is connected to their journey. The fundamental aim of our department is to handhold the youth of Mizoram, to guide them from potential to skill, from skill to opportunity, and from opportunity to sustainable livelihood. That is what the flagship policy of the government of Mizoram Banakai is all about. This approach aligns perfectly with the state government's flagship policy, I just mentioned that, which reflects the spirit of governance that does not leave anyone behind. LESDE is committed to translating this vision into practical outcomes, training, jobs, enterprises, and social security. When we say hand-holding, we do not mean a one-time scheme or a one-day program, or even a 5-day festival like today. It means working alongside our youth and workers at every stage of their journey. Our hand-holding begins with identification and understanding that not every youth is the same. Some are academic, some are skilled, and some are entrepreneurial. It continues with guidance and skilling in relevant market-linked skills and towards employment and entrepreneurship. I would like to repeat the word market-link. For laborers, LESDE department's Banakai means ensuring their welfare, safety, dignity, and social security, and helping them upgrade their skills. Banakai also means continuity, not leaving people alone after the scheme ends. That is why the LESDE Coot is so important to all of us. About the Coot. LESDE Coot is not merely a celebration. It is a platform, a bridge, and an opportunity. It physically brings hand-holding to one place where guidance, information, opportunity, and support are all accessible. It is a platform for youth to explore skills, jobs, and entrepreneurship, a bridge between government agencies, financial institutions, training providers, and aspiring entrepreneurs. An opportunity for people to understand how government schemes can genuinely improve their lives. Let me continue in Mizo about the festival. Vena LESDE Coot kan buat sa chanahi tuna kan soita kan khan elaya hian mi kan kalkho mga chuta chuanin eng tenge tun hmaa mun thanga kan kala so ta hladawa office dor ngai he ta hladawa office dor ngai computer mangi internet mangi khulam dor ngai kan har san na thang ka mun khata elaya hian kan ho tu den an ko khom ta voile khata elaya hianin kan hu ngai lo te kan hu than lo te office dor tura har san kan to tam tak te kha kan dor theidona min ko khom sakani chuwang chuna poimo mani tin kan soi tel du chu a ming hi adang lam khan pa ve buka LESDE ku tan dia kan ho tu ten LESDE ku tan ron ti khan a ku han ti chu ka ti dewa a mai ro chu khu lama sarkar lai pui lama khan an lo thelu fel vek to a ni chona ti ra chon thak kan rop dewa kan thak lo hi kan ti fu hi ka ti ta em mai ni a chan chu min tui pui tu ten min tui pui da na ngai renga min tui pui vak lo tu te point a minga wangin an lo hriat pha a ming te po kha an lo khel deu ti tia kha khanin awareness ka spread ning ka hria chuwang chuna lo mom ka ti hlea eng chiang e mon ti don le ti khan ta ni I was just sharing with our honorable governor about this the uniqueness of this festival, which again I will continue it in Mizo. I will share whatever I have shared with the honorable governor. LESDE kutan ni ta ga chuanin helaya kan thil a na zong han ti te entrepreneurship han ti te skill ti te labor ti te hi amu nom khan pa lo mi pui hui khom thei ama mai chuan ani lo ni chuwang chuan a chang chuan thalai kan kal khom se kan de thalai kan hui khom duwa na zong lai te zirmek te la zong tur te chu ho kan ko khom duwa wang chuanin kan ho tu den thiam takin an du zong rimoi nen fashion show kan ti te skill vekania kan department a chuna leng vek boxia chung te nen chuan min han ko khom saka cosplay ti thlengin an ti thiam le maya chuwang chuan atom ni la kha February ni som le pali an lo ni kher bok nen tlai la mai lai he Mizo thalai ta pung khom turin kan som chewa ta chuan pung khom satlian ni lawin kil tina hen dor tina hen thil tangkai mu tu rom do na hei hian in LESDE kut hi atiro pui le zuala ni chin khan ei zon na kai lon le ra bu cher tu kha ron tilang to chuwang chuan ka soi chun zom vak to don lawa ani na ang taka kan kal pui the ni chuan ei zon na asiam do na tin rabi min cher sak do na zirle zel na tur chung chang ate ni chinan soi kha rampo na chuak tur ta na cheng nuai ni thlenga pui the na te kan training chuan nuwa cheng singa man hu thlenga kan bung romamo min le sak thei tu tur ka kan training chuak do na chumi tan chuan Mizoram building and other construction worker welfare bond hoya kan in zialu angai thung do na chutiang mi te ban kai ngai mi hring na le kho sak phunga po ban la kai ngai zok te tan ruwa man na department in aduang chuaka lo mum tak zeta heavy pe na thokrim zong te an chunga lom thu ka soyani tin wangin nge LESDE hi kan va mungun ve LESDE ti mun thang kan mu thin Mizoram building and other construction worker welfare board te po hi ain melu tu lo na mun na te po kan mu fo ni in ti mai theya kha tak kha soi kan du chu ni ta ni Kovela Coca-Cola thal nember kiltina online tilar rengani Nike le Adidas su thom no thal ne man ne kiltina online tilar reng min thom non ma mo chuan Nike le Adidas re chuak sen tia antuya hal chuan Coca-Cola re chuak sen tiang chia hian labor le kai noyami etianga inziak lu du te heng ho hian an chan vo pon lo khe tak lowa engen ni na chia pon thelo engham than na e om po khan lo thelo ani chuwang chuan mi puina an mu du le an lom TV ate le pui pun na huna te khanin MBOC WWB kha tilar zel kan dua LESDE tilar zel kan dua kha khamin an huwa piangin an on ngai tu chuak don ani ta chuanin enghinge kan digna chan vo enghinge ka ham that na mu the enghinge kan bana min kai thei dan ti kha mi pui te ne hriat tir kan dua wangin kan department kai noi mi lo anga lang thil rang kan sponsora tin kan la tile zol zel dona hmia tan hen multimedia campaign tan MBOC WWB nuaya sum thanem tak da ania chung bang da chon kan campaign kan in tilar zel dona mi mal lar na nilawin kan officer te mo a minister mo lam nilawin a department ni lar se hei hian tam tak ken tela ne mi tam tak ei zon na ne na in zom ta wangin chuwang chuan kan la ti zel dona ni ti po vena hian kan sei lang duani and even of this scale does not happen overnight. It is a result of dedication, planning and teamwork. As the minister of LESDE department I sincerely appreciate the efforts of officers, staff, partner agencies, institutions, and all those who work tirelessly to make this good possible. I also thank partner departments, financial institutions, training providers, industry representatives, and entrepreneurs who have come forward to support this initiative. Your collaboration strengthens our shared goal of empowering Mizoram. I also thank all members of the audience for your presence and enthusiasm. Your participation gives meaning to our efforts and direction to our policies. Let us work together to ensure that no youth feels left behind, that every worker feels valued and secure, and that Mizoram moves forward with confidence, innovation, and inclusive growth. With these words, I once again welcome you all to LESDE Festival. I wish the Coot every success and hope it becomes a milestone in our journey towards empowerment and self-reliance. Before I finally conclude my speech, I would like to take this opportunity to invite all of you present this afternoon to join us at another event which we are conducting on the 14th of February, Aizawl International Half Marathon. You can enroll yourself, you can join online, or else on the 12th and 13th of February at this very place, there will be an offline registration counter open. So I wish that you are all there with us, with the Honorable Governor flagging off the Aizawl International Marathon on the morning of the 14th February. But mind you, we will have to wake up early. The function starts at 6:15 a.m. in the morning. With that, once again, I thank you, all of you who are present here, and I wish this good every success. Kalome.